Is your Adobe Dreamweaver constantly crashing and stealing precious design time? Let's dive straight into fixing that annoying auto-close issue, because we've all been there. Start by going to the Help menu at the top. Then, select the About Dreamweaver option. This crucial first step confirms that Dreamweaver is actually the problem, and not another piece of software. Inside, you will see your version number, which will tell you if your software needs updating. Dreamweaver is more efficient using updates, so check for them often using the Help menu. Now, consider the possibility that some of your settings are not quite optimal. Close Dreamweaver, then open them, and review your settings if the performance is still a problem. Perhaps the software itself is taking up too much memory. Check your computer for any unwanted programs. Congratulations! By trying these quick troubleshooting steps, you've saved valuable time and gotten back to creating amazing websites. If it still doesn't work, there are other solutions. Share this video with your fellow web designers and remember to like and subscribe for more tech tips. #Dreamweaver Troutness #FixIt